everyone, and welcome back to another video. My name is EthanDiiulio, and that's a running and driving 100 horsepower go-kart, which you guys will see today. We have test driven it. As you can see, there's mud all over it. I tried my best to make sure there wasn't mud all over this thing, but the field was too wet. And you'll see later on that we have to do a bunch of tuning as far as messing around with gearing, and we also have to mess with the exhaust a little bit because there still is a very prominent exhaust leak. But we have to mess with gearing because right now the gears are way too long. I couldn't even get it really up into the power band, but I definitely could feel the acceleration to start pushing me. So it's gonna look slow in this video, but that's only because it was struggling because the gears are super long. We've already got sprockets on the way for it though, so we're gonna try to make the gearing ratio on this a little bit shorter so it's a little bit more torquey and maybe it'll have more pickup. But yeah, this thing is running and driving. It's super exciting. It's kind of a short video this week, but that's only because there really wasn't much going on other than test driving it, and I know it was a short test drive, but again, the field is super wet. We don't have a clutch guard on it, and I don't want to smoke the belt out. So once we get the new sprockets, we're going to retest it. A lot of this is just going to be tuning it and dialing it in and just getting it ready. And also cosmetically, what I want to do on this thing, I am thinking about making metal fenders. So before it had plastic ones, it kind of like this, but they only go up to here. So I mean, this thing's going to be blowing the tires off. So if you're spinning the tires, it's still going to shoot mud over the top of your head. So I'm probably going to build metal fenders that go like all the way back and then make some mounts that go from here down. I am thinking about making a firewall, just at least have something that's going across the back here behind the seats. And I do want to build a roof on it at some point as well. And I also do want to say there may or may not be a video coming out on the Supra next week. The weather seems to be cooperating, and I might get it out this weekend and drive it for the first time since November, which I'm super excited about that, guys. So there might be a video on the Supra coming out next week. I don't know. It might be a mix of both the go-kart and the Supra, but I'm not really sure. Let's get right into this video. Hope you guys enjoy. Right now we're making some custom exhaust brackets so we can try to get the bike on here, and then we're going to try to test drive it.
What are you doing? You ready?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it has an exhaust like crazy. I hear that already. Alright, go ahead. It's like bogging out.
That's weird. It must not be making enough power. It's so loud.
Yeah, once it hits the
Power band, it'll go.
That is terribly loud.
spun the tires, you see that?
Definitely not making max power.
So, clutching, sprocket change.
It engages at like 6,000 RPM.
No way.
Yeah.
I think it's just slipping it the whole time. 6,000 RPM for it to engage is crazy.
Yeah, it was like 5 to 6.
Not worried.
Because these things typically engage at like 225, 3,000.
Yeah.
3,000 or more.
Well guys, it runs. Definitely needs a lot of tuning, a lot with gearing and all that. We need to definitely do something with the exhaust because it's still not in here correctly. But it runs, it drives. It's going to be pretty insane when it's done. I know it wasn't much taking it out there, but the problem is the field was really wet. So we kind of covered it in mud. Just a little bit. I tried not to. But it runs and drives. You gotta dial it in a little bit, and this thing is going to be absolutely crazy. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed. I'm super excited that this thing is running and driving. Even though it's not dialed in yet, it's awesome. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. To support the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. Pretty soon, we're gonna have an extremely fast go-kart. Supra's coming back out. We're going to Watkins Glen with that. A lot of really cool things to come. So stick around on the channel. Weather's getting nice out again, so that means everything's just kind of starting back up. So I'll see you guys. I hope you guys have a great rest of your week. I'll see you next week. Bye guys.